Saint Nativity 2019.
So, first of all, it's a great pleasure to be in Scorano, and I want to thank all the authorities who have come here today in big numbers, as well as the organizers of the exhibition, to welcome me, and also for me to view this beautiful, all the beautiful pieces of art that I have seen today. Of special importance is the dedication of the statue to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary. And this statue has been made by a very renowned sand artist from India, Mr. Sudarshan Patnaik. So it's really a matter of great happiness and honor for me to visit Scorano today to view the statue that has been prepared with sand by these amazing artists, what you see behind me, as well as of Mahatma Gandhi. And definitely it is a testimony to India-Italy friendship, to our close relations, that there is so much respect and regard for someone like Gandhi, who brings a universal message of peace and non-violence and brotherhood to people around the world. So I want to thank everyone who has come out today to welcome me, and also all the artists who have worked to put up this beautiful exhibition in Scorano. Thank you.
Ecco, questa può essere una domanda semplice, le impressioni, cioè c'è stato già il Welcome to Italy, il Welcome to Scorano. What about it? Scorano, Italy.
Yeah, well, Scorano is, I can see, a very special town in Puglia. It's a beautiful part of the country, southern Italy. And I see that I have met today the mayor, the members of parliament, the members of European Parliament, all the councillors, the teachers, the university professors, the association members. So I can see that there is a lot of pride in belonging to Scorano. Even people who are no longer based here but are living abroad are here. So I have come at a very good time when a lot of people are here, and I am getting to meet everyone. So I am really, really very happy to be in Scorano, and I hope that friendship between India and Scorano will continue to grow. And we will have many more such occasions to have more opportunities for collaboration. Thank you.
And the final message in the world?
Well, the message during this time, or when we are celebrating Christmas, we are celebrating the New Year. The message is always of hope, of peace, of love, of brotherhood. And this is something that is brought out beautifully by the exhibition as well. So I wish everyone in Scorano all the best for this festive season. Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.